Welcome to Electech Services. Instruction for today is going to be the removal of a DLP lamp out of a DLP television set and some of the idiosyncrasies that go along with taking the lamp out yourself and putting it back in. So I just want to start by instructing that on the back of the unit there's going to be usually two access points. One's going to be for the lamp and the other one's usually on the other side is for access to all the external inputs. First step is going to be to take the lamp door off. It's usually held in by 4 security screws. I've got 3 of them already taken out. We're just going to take the last one out. Now, something to pay attention to, and this goes with all DLP television sets, when the door comes off, it's basically releasing a safety switch that's inside the TV, and you can see it here as a little blue tab. And the door actually has a mechanism to actually indent that switch. So, taking the door off, the TV will go into shutdown and will not turn on. Putting the door on, the TV will come back on. So very important after we're done that this gets put back on. A lot of people forget to put their door back on. They think there's something wrong with their TV. So door comes off, and inside the unit there's a lamp housing assembly. It's usually held in by 1 or 2 screws. You basically put your screwdriver and pull your screw all the way out. We pull our lamp. It's on a track, so it just pulls right out and unplugs as it comes out. And what we do is we investigate the lamp itself. We're looking for a very shiny sheen on the inside of the lamp to indicate it's good. Most bad lamps will have a milky effect on one side or the other, or in fact it will be very obviously blown, and I'll show you an example of that. That's a blown lamp with the milky effect, and you can hear the glass rattling around inside. So that would indicate that there's a defective lamp. So putting the lamp back in, it basically goes in back in the reverse order. If you buy the housing assembly, you'll just get it out of the box. If you buy the lamp, you'll have to put it in the housing assembly separately. Once it's in together, inserted in the unit, we'll go ahead and slide it back in reverse order, making sure you align it with the tracks that it came in on. And once it's in, it should slide in fairly easily, just like that. We go ahead and get our screw back in. See the connector that's fallen off, put that back on the ballast board. Okay, and then we're going to put the lamp door back on in the right orientation so that that tab on the door is going to close the switch. So we basically get it back in, we put our screws back on to be able to test the unit. Very important that this step is done because the unit will be in shutdown and not allow it to turn on unless that door is on. And that's all our lesson is for today.